What's up my Ponyos, Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to share with you guys finally the silicone case from Apple for the iPhone 15 Pro. I've obviously gone over the 15 and the Pro Max, you can check those out. Nonetheless, we want to go over a couple of really sleek cases here because there's so many to choose from now this year, because I think honestly when they got rid of their leather, they're like, hey, let's give people a lot more variety. With that said, I picked up something a little more masculine, the green, the forest green here, and then I picked up something pink for my wife here as this is going to be her go-to. With that said, not a sponsored video. Apple obviously didn't send me these. I did pay for these with my own money. So we're going to go over and see if it's worth it. With that said, these cases I think are a little overpriced here. They are liquid silicone, so they're going to be super smooth and nice to the touch. They've got a clean matte profile, and despite which color you choose, it's going to form fit around your phone. The best part about it here is there is an integrated Magsafe animation, so when you put it in there, you're going to see the color that you opted into right on your screen, which is really cool. It's made out of a polycarbonate material and drop grade protection. It even has aligned in there some memory foam on the outside and the inside to provide you insulation here in the event of a mishap. Unboxing is super straightforward here. These two cases are the same price, but obviously a different color to match whichever style that you want. The white really goes with pretty much anything. I'm gonna go ahead and place on, for the sake of this video, the pink one here so you guys can see, and then at the end I'll do the green one as well. With that said here, like I said, it is made out of a super smooth silicone here. I really like how that is. It's a matte color here, but despite that, it is nice and reflective. The silicone goes all the way around the edges, and it's even pressed in and glued into the inside. The buttons are nice and clicky, although they are silicone, so they're not metallic. You do have a dedicated button here for the action button. You do have a raised lip here for the camera bump, which is nice. Apple symbol, punch outs here for the I/O, and they don't have necessarily complete punch outs for the speakers. On the inside here you can see the Magsafe impression. You also have a very smooth and clean microfiber material that is also lined all the way up on the edge to be able to provide that extra insulation. There's something in there. What is that? There's something on that case there. Nonetheless, it is spongy here like I mentioned, and it's going to provide you nice insulation to be able to protect against a mishap. The buttons are coated on the inside as well, which is nice. Let's go ahead and place it in for the first time and show you what that animation looks like when you do that. As you can see, you got that pink animation, which is nice and clean in the hand. I really like that. And what's great here is you've got a really slim profile, so it's not pushing up against any of your protection, but it does grab on the bezel there. It does provide probably a 1/16 of an inch lift, so it's going to be rubbing on the silicone there rather than on your screen. And then on the back side here, you do have that lift as well for the camera bump, which is really, really nice. I like that. Super clean. Buttons are nice and clicky. That's typical of these Apple cases, and it's just nice and smooth in the hand. I like that. It's grippy and ergonomic. Despite it being liquid silicone, it does have a grip to it, which is nice. I like that. Let's go and move over to the green case. Similar structure, different tone. I like the two-tone there for the Apple symbol. Let's go and place it on here and show you what that animation looks like here for the green. There we go. There's that forest green look. It's not too bright because I have it on Do Not Disturb. But on this one here, it looks like the bezel is a little bit bigger, but it's still giving you that nice all-around sleek look. I like that. Magsafe is still capable here on it. You go and slap it on there. That's the Apple Magsafe. There's the notification here. I like how it's got that uniqueness. It'll charge quite a bit. Not as hefty as this 10,000 milliamp one if you want to do that. Slap that guy on there. That'll start charging here at least 5 watts. It's got a nice little stand here if you wanted to have something for content creation. You could have it as a desk buddy here if you wanted to do it landscape as well. You've got a couple other features here if you wanted to utilize something like this SnapGrip here from the folks at ShiftCam. This guy can charge at 5 milliamps here as well. 5,000 milliamp battery at 5 watts, which is cool. I like that. You also have a shutter button for content creation. You got this great tripod mount here, even with a little tripod handle if that's something you're interested in, even selfie light, which is cool. Lastly, if you wanted to opt into something like this with your charging cable, I highly recommend plugging it into this Murpiso, which is a 3-in-1 Magsafe Apple Watch charging bank, which is really cool. As you can see that, it changes colors. You can turn it on and off if that's something you're interested in. With that said, my ponios, if you're opting into something a little more feminine or masculine, whatever floats your boat, they've got the silicone case for you. I really love the silicone. It is really nice in the hand. I opt into the more, you know, grayish, earthy tones, but having something like the pink in your hand, I thought was really sleek and nice. It just kind of pops while providing you still the utility and comfort in the event of a mishap. With that said, not a sponsored video. I do have